Okay, so first you want to take your spoolie and brush your brows up. Okay, so after you brush your brows up, you're going to want to take a really light concealer. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. Oh, it's upside down. So you want to take a really light concealer and you're just going to put it all over your brows. And try to just get it on the hairs and not the skin around it. Alright, so after that, if you do get it on the outside, you just want to take a Q-tip and just clean off the excess concealer that's around it. Alright, so then you're gonna be looking a little crazy, but we about to fix it. So after that, you want to get a eyeshadow brush. I like the fluffy ones like this. And you're gonna pick whatever color you want to use. I'm gonna do orange, so I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Wired palette in the color Switch. I'm just gonna pack it all over my brow. And if that's not working, to get into all these little areas, take a liner brush and then you can get into all those little small areas. As you can see, it's looking a more orange now. And don't worry about getting it outside because we're going to clean it up later. Okay, so once you have your brow coated mostly, you're going to take a lighter shade for the front and a darker shade for the tail. So for my lighter shade, I'm going to go in with the color Solar from this e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette. And just so it won't be too yellow, I'm going to mix it with this summer color. Then for the tail of my brow, I'm going to go in with Heat. And I'm just going to put that right at the tail. Okay, and it should look like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now. Okay, so when you got a good little ombre going on both sides, you want to take a Q-tip with some makeup remover on it, and I'm just using some micellar water. And you're just going to clean around your brows to get off all the excess shadow. And then I'm just gonna blend them out with my spoolie a little bit more. And after that, you're just gonna clean them up with concealer like you normally would. So I'm gonna take just a flat brush and the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm just going to clean up around my brows like I normally would. So this is what they look like with concealer. And I'll come back to show you how they look with makeup on. So this is what the eyebrows look like with makeup on. And if you would like to see how I got this look, I will have the tutorial linked down below, so make sure you check it out. Also, if you like this video or if you learned something, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!